This is the Workspace area. The left sidebar is currently open to the Data pane. The Data pane displays all the fields from the data source. The fields are grouped by data source table. Within each table, there is a horizontal line. The fields that are above the line are called dimensions. Dimensions are fields that contain qualitative and descriptive values, such as names, dates, or geographic data. ID fields are also dimensions. Below each table's horizontal line are fields that are called measures. Measures are fields that contain numeric, quantitative values that can be aggregated using functions, such as sum and average. Dimensions control the level of aggregation of the measures in a visualization. Dimensions can be organized into hierarchies. Create a product hierarchy. Add dimensions to the hierarchy using the context menus. Alternatively, use drag and drop to add dimensions to a hierarchy or to create a new hierarchy. Create a location hierarchy and add dimensions to it. Hide fields that you do not plan to use. You can group fields by folder and then create folders to organize them. Drag fields from the data pane to the shelves and cards to build each visualization. The largest area of the workspace is the view. The view is where your data visualization displays. You build one visualization per sheet. At the bottom of the workspace, use the Sheet tabs to add additional sheets. Combine sheets to create dashboards and stories. At the top of the workspace, use the toolbar to access commands and analysis and navigation tools.